What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B. And today we're going to see the final part of my four-part series on the 4 great European cities that I had a chance to visit back in February, you know, when times were normal and you could actually travel. So far, we've seen videos on London, we've seen videos on Prague, and we've seen videos on Paris. So today, I'm going to take you through the eternal city of Rome. So who's ready to see Rome? We're about to get the party started. So get your popcorn ready, and we're going to go stroll through the streets of Rome. So let's go.
When you enter Rome, there are 2 major airports. One is Ciampino, or CIA. This is the smaller of the 2 airports, mostly low-cost budget airlines and flights within the EU. Rome Fiumicino Airport, or Leonardo da Vinci, is the largest airport in all of Italy, and it houses most of your international airline flights, ones that come from, you know, the US, Canada, Africa, Asia, all over the world. And if you arrive in Rome by train, chances are you will come in through Termini Station. Termini Station, there's a lot of cheaper hotel options in the area by Termini Station. There's also a metro where you can get all around Rome from Termini Station. It's huge and it's very packed.
that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know in the future when I have material coming out and you can help us to grow as a travel community. As always, remember, live today, grow today. Tomorrow's never guaranteed.